Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the headset and environment so inputs register reliably. Put on the headset, power it on, and make sure controllers show light or vibration. This confirms connectivity. Once done, establish a comfortable play area with roughly 1 to 2 meters clear and align the guardian or boundary if prompted. Now reach for the primary controller. You'll use its menu button for the next step. This setup reduces tracking glitches and speeds the menu open action. You now find the specific menu control on your active controller, often labeled with a home icon or 3 lines. Press it deliberately. Some systems open the menu with a short press, while others require a half-second hold. If unsure, try a quick press first, then hold. Make sure you're pointing roughly forward and not obscuring sensors. When successful, you'll feel a short vibration and see the overlay appear near your hands or in front of you. This confirms the menu is active and ready for selection. You finish by navigating the menu with your thumbstick or pointer. Aim, hover to reveal submenus, and press the trigger or a button to select. When done, close the menu with the same menu/home button or choose the on-screen back option. This maintains muscle memory. If the menu doesn't appear, reseat the controllers in their tracking zone, recenter the headset using the system gesture, then try again. These steps clear common tracking hiccups and restore the expected menu.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.